So what is the purpose of difference? It's going to remove the common elements from two sets, and it's going to return the remaining values from the first set, right? What it's going to do, it's going to remove the common values from both sets, but the output will be from the first set. Okay, so okay, then my second set is y. My second set is y, and I'm going to take, okay. What is normally difference going to do is it's going to remove that common values, and it's going to create new set. Not one, not is the existing one. It's going to create a new set after removing all the elements from both set, and it's going to take the elements from the first set, and it's going to give you a new set. Okay, see, mm, what we discussed, total two sets. What difference going to do? First, what it first, there will be three steps. Okay, just remember, there will be three steps, means there will be three things that difference going to do. What is first one? It's going to remove the common elements from two sets. This is number one. And number two, it's going to create new set. Number two, that one. And then number three, it's going to create new set with the elements from the first set after removing the common elements. Okay, totally three will be there. Okay, total three. Remember, yeah, I'm repeating once again. What it's going to do, first it's going to remove the common elements. What is the second step? It's going to create new set. And what is the third one? It's going to create new set with the elements in the first set after removing the common elements. Okay, this is the purpose of difference. Okay, I will show you. See, it's give you 1, 2, 3, because 4 and 5 is common elements from these two sets, and it's going to give you output from this. And if you place y first, what will be the output? It's going to take a new, it's going to create new set from y, because we specified y as the first, right? Y dot difference. So what will be the output? 4, 8, 6, 7. Means 4, 5, it's removed, it create a new set with the elements from this y. Okay, and what is the different, like what is the difference between difference and a difference update? Okay, the only difference is difference method going to create a new set, but this difference underscore update method going to change the original set elements. Okay, so only the difference, what is it is, difference method going to create a new set, but a difference underscore update method going to change the elements in the original set. Okay, if you print y, it's going to remove the common elements. See, 6, 7, 8. That is the only variation between difference and difference update. Okay, difference is going to create a new set, but a difference underscore update is going to change the original set. Okay, understood? Then we have Discord. Discord is why we are going to use Discord, means we use that to remove the specified item from the set. We already discussed set is mutable, but we can't change the existing elements, just we can add and we can remove the elements from the set. We already discussed how we can add, we using add method, we can add the elements. In the same way, how we can delete the method, delete the elements, we have one method called discard. Okay. Hmm. X dot discard. Okay, so I don't want 3 in my X set. I don't want 3. Okay, if you check now, see 3 removed. Okay, why here we are using specified element means we already know set is unordered, so there will be no proper index. Okay, with values only we can remove the elements. Okay, that's why I want to remove this particular value called 3. So for this discard method, we need to pass the particular value that you want to remove from the set. Okay. Then what is our next method? Intersection. Okay. What is the purpose of intersection? Means it's going to give you the common elements. Okay. It's going to like here also it's going to give you 3 steps. First one, it's going to take the common elements, and second one, it's going to create new set, and third one, it's going to create new set with common values from the two sets. Okay, I will show you. X dot intersection y. So what it's going to do is first it's going to take the common. What are the common elements? 4 comma 5. After that, what it's going to do, it's going to create new set with the elements of 4 comma 5 because only those are common. See, 4 comma 5 new set. But one more method called intersection underscore update. Same we discussed, right? What is the difference between difference and the difference underscore? Same here. So intersection going to create a new set, but intersection underscore update going to modify the original set. Okay. So see, if you after using intersection underscore update, if you print x, the values 1 comma 2 comma 3 removed and 4 comma 5 only there, means what it's going to do, it's going to update the original set. But when it's come to intersection, it's going to create the new set. Okay, you the guys can check later with some examples. Then is disjoint we have. What is disjoint going to do? Returns whether two sets have a intersection or not. Means if the two sets, okay, has a single common value, even if there is a single common value, that is disjoint going to give you true. Okay, let us check. Is disjoint. See, now I have at least, if there is at least one common value, that is enough. Now I have two common values. So what's going to give us? It's going to give also. Why? Just a second. False. It's giving. Just a second, guys. Let us check why it's going to give that. False. It is giving. Is disjoint. Why? Sorry guys. Mm, Normally actually this is the purpose of disjoint. If there is a, even is there is any single, okay. If I check like this, oh sorry, this was a small misunderstanding from my end. Written so the two sets have a intersection or not. Okay. Normally what's meant by disjoint? Disjoint means there will be no connection. Disjoint means that is the thing, right? Normally disjoint means there will be no connection or there will be no joint. Okay, so what is disjoint going to do is, if there is no common element from the two sets, it's going to return true. What it is means, there will be no connection or there will be no common element from the, like for the two sets. If there is no common element, it's going to return you true. If there is at least a single common element, it's going to return false. Remember, is disjoint going to return true when there is no common element in the two sets? Is disjoint going to return uh, false when there is a common element, even a single common element in the two sets? Okay, that is the purpose of disjoint. And then E subset. Normally we know what is meant by E subset. If elements in the set 1, all the elements in the set 1 exist in the set 2. Okay. If the elements in set 1 exist in set 2, then what we are going to tell, that first set is a subset of the second set. Okay. Sorry. See all the elements in X, 1, 2, 3. You can see those elements in Y. So all the elements in X you can see in Y set. Means what it mean? X is subset of Y. Okay. So when we check that, it's going to return you true. But when you check Y is subset of X, what is the meaning for that? Means all the elements in Y should exist in X. Okay, but all the elements in Y we can't see in X, right? So it's going to return you false. Okay. And here one more thing is there. Superset. E superset. Means what here we are going to check is this, say set 1 is superset for set 2. Means the set 2 elements all should be exist in the first set. So that what it we are going to tell, the first set we call as a superset and the second set we call as subset. Okay, it's going to return you true because all elements in X you can see in this Y. So that what it is meaning, Y is superset for this X. If you check, X is superset of Y. That's not true, right? False, it's going to give you. Okay, understood? What is the difference between subset and superset? Then pop. Okay, pop is also for removing, but it's going to remove a random value. We don't know what is the what element it's going to remove. You no need to specify any value over there. Whenever you are using pop, it's going to remove randomly. Okay, x dot pop. So it what is x dot pop going to do? It's going to remove random value. So we can't specify which value it's going to remove. See, first time it's removed n, like 2, sorry 1, and what it's going to remove second time. Okay, but it's going to remove randomly. We can't tell which like you no need to specify the value that you want to remove. Pop going to remove random value. Okay, There will be three methods to remove values from a set. One is pop, one is discard, and one more is remove. Same discard and remove functionality is same. Okay. So here also in remove also you need to specify the value that you want to remove. I want to remove the value 2, so that it's going to remove 2. See, it's remove 2. So for remove and discard you need to specify the values. Okay, for pop you don't need to specify the value. It's going to remove the value randomly. Okay. Then we have symmetric difference. Okay, let us see what is the purpose of symmetric difference. We already see the difference. Okay, what is symmetric difference going to do is whenever we use the difference, it's going to give data from first set alone. But if you want to remove the common elements from both sets, and if you want to return the remaining values from two sets, you need to use symmetric difference. Okay, there will be same three steps. What it's going to do, it's going to remove common values. Okay, common values, that is first step. And second one, it's going to create new set. And what is third one, it's going to create new set after removing the common elements from two sets, and it's going to take the remaining values from two sets. Okay, whenever you are using difference, it's going to give like a final result from first set. But if you want to take output from two sets, there you can use symmetric difference. Okay, it's still now we told it's going to create new set like that we told, right? Like I will show you how it's going to do. Print z, let me print z also. See, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is new one. But what is the value of x? Value of x is still same. Means what's it's going to do? It's going to create a new set whenever you are using symmetric difference. But what will be the output? It's going to remove the common values from both, and the final result should be from two sets. See, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from second set, and 10 is from our first set. Means what it's going to do, it will remove the common values from both set, and final result also should be from both sets whenever you used symmetric difference. Okay, but when you use symmetric difference update, it won't create any new set. It's going to modify the virginal set also. Let us check the difference. None. Means what it's going to do, it won't create any new set. That's why Z give you none. Okay, what is like same. Okay, it won't create any new set. It's going to modify the virginal set itself. Same applicable for difference underscore update. Okay, and intersection underscore update. They are going to modify the virginal set. They won't create new sets. Okay, this is symmetric underscore difference underscore update. If you come to symmetric underscore different, it's going to create a new set. But when it's come to symmetric underscore difference underscore update, it's going to modify the virginal set itself.